everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy A7 Presents, I bring you Glossybox. That's right, Glossybox. Now this is my first ever Glossybox. I had already opened the box and well, things didn't work out, so I had to now do the second version. So hopefully I remember how I got this or whatever. So I was on Rakuten, which was formerly eBay. I will link that down below to save you cash and you get some money back. And I purchased Glossybox because I think there was a 10% or 25% off coupon on there. So I got this box for like $16, something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and open it today. And I'll let you know why I was a little disappointed. Then I have another Glossybox. This one's never been opened, so I don't, it says June 2020 on the box. When I opened this one I ordered in May. I ordered it, I think it was a May box. It was supposed to be a May box, or yeah, a May box. And on the outside of the box, it said January of 2020. I don't know if I have the box anymore, and if I do, I will show the pictures up. But anyways, so what is Glossybox? Glossybox is a subscription plan, and you get it every month. I believe it's about $18-20 a month, and you get, we'll go through this real quickly, and we'll see how many. I think you get about 5 items every month. I'm not familiar, like I said, with Glossybox. This was my first box, and I was slightly disappointed because on the outside of the other box it said January 2020. So in May I got a January box when I thought I was getting May's box. But anyways, here or there, whatever it is, it's now November, and we're now just opening it up. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this Glossybox. I don't know what the retail value on any of the items in here is. I don't see a card. I don't think a card comes in these, but like I said, I will put more information down below if you want to order Glossybox. Is this something for you? Have you tried Glossybox? Let me know in the comment section if you like Glossybox. And I like their packaging. Their packaging is very pretty, but let's get into it. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this Pure Lait, I guess, scrunchie, black velvet scrunchie. So very pretty. And it has the Glossybox 30. I guess to save 30% off your first order if that's something you'd like to do. And I like it. I actually like the scrunchie. It's very nice and nice and soft. So this will probably go to Sandra. That's one item. The next item is the Mud Masky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. Never heard of this brand before. Musavi Skincare from the Netherlands. So that's another item there. Like I said, this, I'm not real familiar with Glossybox. This is my first one I've ever opened, and then I got the other one, and we'll see how it is. And let me know if I should get the box again just to try it out, or do you just think forget it? Because I know there's Rakuten will have codes. There's codes online where you save $2 or $3 for your first box, like $16. And then they have like limited edition boxes. I know they have the advent calendar. I don't know if it's still available, but I'll link the information down below if you want to get that. I think the advent calendar is like $75 or $99. I don't know, don't quote me on that. So now we have brown sugar lip scrub, and this is by the Tree Hut. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And is it open? No, it's not sealed. I don't smell anything. That's kind of a good thing when you can't smell right through the packaging. That means that it has a great seal. So that's something else. And then there's the Strawberry Booster Bybi, BYBI, 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. Never heard of that. It's a day booster, certified vegan and cruelty free. It's made in the UK. Yeah, I don't know. To me, it kind of reminds me of like where BoxyCharm used to be at when they used to charge very little for their boxes. I've never heard of. Let me see. It doesn't. I don't smell. I smell oil, but I don't smell like strawberries. But it's leave me very oily. Used to boost your existing skincare routine by either applying a few drops directly to face or to a moisturizer or serum. Goes on like a dry oil, so it can be used day or night. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And this is the box. What is it made out of? It's a facial oil. I mean, you know, once my skin absorbed it, it doesn't look oily. It looks like hydrated. It's just this strawberry seed oil. That's the ingredients right there. So we got that. And then we got Avant Collagen Aloe Vera Hyaluronic Lavender Oil Glycerin Vitamin C Allanton. I don't know. I think that's terrible as well. I don't know. Tongue tied now. Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. And you only get one pair, which is kind of weird. Don't they normally come in like packages of 5 and come in a box? Maybe they just got these. I don't know. But that's what they look like. They're just white pads. And then that's the back of that. So what would this be worth? Like $1? I don't know. And then the next item looks like a full-size item, and it's by Candy Cosmetics, Pre-Glow Up Mist. Very generic. I'm assuming this was made in April, or maybe, I don't know, April of 2019, right? Hopefully it was made in 2019, because this box did come in January. It was supposed to be a January 2020 box, but I don't know. So this seems very generic, I guess. Very plain. I don't know. It doesn't say. Just to spray the mist before or after makeup or on its own for refreshed, glowing skin. And then those are the ingredients there. So I have never heard of this. Never heard of it. I may or may not use it. That's what it is. So that's everything in this box. Let's go ahead and open this next box. This is June 2020, right there. And like I said, the other one had said January 2020. So, and I got it in May, something like that. Because like I said, I saw it on eBay to Rakuten, and it was just a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. So it says score $10 off your order for Lively. That's what this looks like once you open the first box. You get your second box. Let's throw this to the side. Again, the same pink box. There you go. At least they packaged their stuff nicely. Let's open it up. And this one comes with a card. So I wonder if the other one came with a card and I just misplaced it. That could be it too. So this says World of Beauty. And that might have been it, because I might have opened the other one and misplaced the little thing. So it says World of Beauty Glossy Box. Join our beauty journey, Glossies. This month we're taking you on a virtual tour around the world with a beauty box full of international brands and inspiration from cultures across the globe. In time when we have to be physically apart, sharing our favorite skincare, makeup tips, and stories can bring us together. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful, and now is the perfect time to experiment with your routine, find new favorites, indulge in some well-deserved self-care. From Asia to Europe, to Australia and back to North America, we at Glossybox brought the best of the best from our team's worldwide hot list straight to your door. Enjoy a luxurious selection in June's Glossybox World of Beauty. That is that here, and that's the front and back. Share your unboxing, monthly survey, sneak peek. I already canceled, so I don't get any more Glossybox. But if this is something that you want to see me unbox again, let me know, and I will get another box to see what it's like. Maybe I was in a mood when I opened it the first time and just didn't care for what was inside. So this is lovely. There's a tissue paper. It matches their theme for travel. And let's open it up. I hate to rip stuff. I'm so goofy. And then here are the items. Always packaged beautifully. And I already look like I have one of these. I have several of these actually. I think they come in several subscription boxes. This is Model Kohl Liquid Metal Eyeshadow. I believe this is a full size. And that's what that looks like. And it's this MSRP, so the retail value is $19. So this is a full size. So this is worth $19. And let's see. I don't care for liquid eyeshadows, so I will be putting this in a giveaway with some other items that I've opened. I will link in the cards above some of the unboxings that I've done lately and some of the items that will be going in the giveaway. Yeah, I think I have this actually, champagne. So this will be going in a giveaway. And let's see, that's the color. And yeah, this will be going in a giveaway. I don't like liquid eyeshadows. That was nice. $19. That's a lot of money for that. Then the next item is a deluxe mini, and this is Chorus. I think it's Greek. Chorus. Yeah, it is. I don't know what's this stuff that's all over it. It's blue. But it says Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. And it's Greek yogurt. Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. The full size, so this deluxe size is worth $18. And the full size is 40 milliliters, 40 mLs, and it's $36. This is half of that. This is $18. It's a lot. Might use this. Give it a try. The next item is deluxe. This is a deluxe sample. Tony Moly. I love Tony Moly. I usually get Tony Moly stuff when it comes to Macy's and they have like their sale. Macy's is having a sale right now, by the way. It's like 15% off their beauty products, which is good because it's 15% off perfume as well. Anyways, let's go back to Glossybox. So here's Tony Moly. These are the Peach Punch cleansing tissues, and it is a Korean skincare item. I love their brand. I love Tony Moly stuff. And refreshing care and soft cleansing. So there's only 8 wipes in here. This is worth $7 because it's a deluxe. At least they give you that. They give you the prices for the deluxe and sample sizes, which is great because normally they just give you the full size value and then you have to do the math in your head. The next item is this Rodeo. I think I'm saying it right. Full size. So one is a full size. Okay. Vitamin C Energizing Sheet Mask, and that's a sheet mask there. And it says full size, and it also says $18 for one. Prices relates to full size product available for purchases advised by the brand. $18 for one mask? Wow, okay. Seems like a lot to me. I'll have to look that up. But anyways, $18 for that. And this box is about $18, 20 bucks with tax. So far you've gotten your money's worth there. The next item is this deluxe mini Decorte liposome moisture liposomes. This is from Japan, and it's a liposome serum. And what else? This deluxe mini ml, it has 9 mLs. It's worth $22.50 because the full size for 20 mLs is $50. So that's that little thing there. Wow, I'm telling you, stuff from Asia, their skincare works really well, but it's also quite expensive. And then the last item is an extra treat. They're throwing these in, and this is High Beauty. It's High Five Facial Moisturizer and High Expectations Facial Oil. You get 2 little packages there, 2 little packets. So it says the retail value for the moisturizer, which is this here, is 50 mLs. It's $40. And then for the facial oil, the full size is $54. And where is this from? Belgium, Great Britain, London. That has 32% cannabis sativa seed oil, and it's an oil. I do like using facial oils at night when I go to bed. And this, they're still there. Wait. So this one is from UK, London. And this one is distributed by High Beauty in Santa Rosa. This is 100% legal and free of the psychoactive substance THC and CBD. So people were tripping because it said 20% cannabis sativa seed oil. Neutralize, balance, and protect. I guess they were scared they were gonna get high. Oh, high five, high. Huh. That's kind of cute. I just got it now. My goodness. Something's wrong with me. So that's everything in this. So this was the June glossy box. So they threw these in for extra treats. You got the two little foil packets. You got the Rodile face mask. You got the Tony Moly wipes. I love Tony Moly. His stuff is so cute. And I thought I had something up here for Tony Moly. And the nourishing probiotic gel cream. What else came in this one? So for that's 3 items. Then we also received the Liposome serum. That's here. What else? Oh, and the Model Co. This eyeshadow that I'll be throwing in a giveaway later because I don't use the eyeshadow. And I think that's it. That was everything in this. I will list the amount on how much this one was worth down here somewhere. So that was nice. That was for June 2020, and I believe this one was from January 2020. I don't know what I did with the little, I can't remember if it came with a paper or not. But anyways, this was, it said, got it in May, but it was January's box. And I think I got it a January box because I used a discount code. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if that's how they work. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar. And then in this box, it was the Strawberry Booster by BYBI. And we also got the Mud Masky Sleep Repair. What is this? Nourishing Mask. And that's 2. We got the Avant eye masks, 3. And the scrub, we got the Tea Tree lip scrub. I might put this in a giveaway as well. I have lots of lip scrubs. And then the scrunchie, and that was it. The scrunchie's nice, actually. I'll give this to Sandra. She likes scrunchies. And that's it, everybody. Let me know in the comment section if you get Glossybox, if you like Glossybox, if their prices are on par with their items. I think what I received is probably worth the $18 I came in there. Like I said, if you want me to go ahead and order another box to see, you know, what December's looks like, let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and I'll order a December box. And maybe one of my giveaways, I will be giving away a subscription to one of these boxes. I forgot. The full-size Candy Cosmetics. It came in this box as well, this January box. I think that's it. Yeah. Where did I get this Hydra Booster? No, that was a different box. But let me know in the comment section if you want me to go ahead and buy one. I might buy someone a subscription. I might do a giveaway for that where I'll buy one more glossy box to see what it's like, and then I'll give away a subscription as well. Buy one lucky winner, one subscription for Glossybox. If I decide to go with Glossybox, I would hate to spend money on a box that's not worth it. I'd rather do like a BoxyCharm, one-time BoxyCharm giveaway and a one-time Ipsy giveaway. But let me know in the comment section if that's a good idea to go ahead and give away a 1-month subscription for Glossybox. I would like to do that. But thank you all for being here. Let me know what you thought of the boxes. Was it worth the $18, $20 for the month? Is it something you would want to get every month, or maybe you got it and didn't like it? Let me know about their customer service if you're familiar with them as well. So thank you all for being here. Until next time, hasta laters.